Hello everyone, and let's start our today's topic, that is essential documents for the conduct of clinical trials, the ICH E6 or clinic or good clinical practices. In that, essential documents are those documents which individually are and collectively permit evaluation of the conduct of trial and the quality of the data produced. These documents serve to be demonstrated the compliance of the investigator, sponsor, and monitor with the standards of good clinical practice and with all applicable regulatory requirements. Essential documents also serve as a number of other important purposes. Filling essential documents at the investigator, institution, and sponsor site in timely manner can greatly assist in the successful management of the trial by the investigator, sponsor, and monitor. These documents are also the ones which are usually audited by the sponsor, independent audit functions, and inspected by the regulatory authorities as a part of process to confirm the validity of the trial conduct and the integrity of data collected. The minimum list of the essential documents which has been developed follows. The various documents are grouped in the three section according to the stage of the trial during they will be normally be generated before the clinical phase of the trial. Second is during the clinical conduct of the trial, and last is after completion or termination of the trial. A description is given of the purpose of each document, um, and purpose of each document, and whether it should be filled in either the investigator or institution or sponsor files or both. It is acceptable to combine some of the documents provided the individual elements are readily identifiable. The trial master file should be established at the beginning of the trial, both at the investigator institution site and at the sponsor office. A final closeout of the trial can only be done and when the monitor has reviewed both investigator and institution and the sponsor files and confirm that all necessary documents are in the appropriate files. In that, what are the documents are needed before the clinical phase of the trial commences. During this planning stage, the following documents should be generated and should be on file before the trial format start. First one is investigative brochure. Purpose is to document that relevant and current scientific information about the investigation product has been provided to the investigator. Second is a signed protocol and amendments if any sample case report form. To document investigator and sponsor agreement to the protocol amendment. Third one is information given to trial subject informed consent form. Purpose is to document the informed consent form. Next is any other written information. Purpose is the document that subject will be given appropriate written information to support their ability to give fully informed consent. Next is the financial aspect of the trial. Purpose is to document the financial agreement between the investigator, institution, and the sponsor for the trial. Investigation insurance statement. Purpose is to document that compensation to subject for trial related injury will be available. And next is a data documented approval and favorable opinion of the institutional review board or independence ethics committee of the following. In that, protocol and any amendments, CRF, any other written information to be provided, advertisement for the subject recruitment and subject compensation, and any other documents given approval or favorable opinion. Institutional Review Board or Independent Ethics Committee composition. Next is the regulatory authorities approval or not infection of protocol. Master randomization list, pre-trial monitoring report, trial initiation monitoring report. These are the documents which are needed before the clinical trial.